This World Environment Day, here at Ken Nelson, let's drive change, literally. These are battery-powered, fully electric vehicles with zero tailpipe emissions, better for a cleaner future. Follow me. And I know what you're thinking. If you want to affect change in a more affordable way, we also offer the 2025 Nissan Leaf. And hybrids, they switch between gas and electric to boost fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. From the Nissan Leaf to the Cadillac Escalade IQ to the Toyota Prius, there's a green ride out there for you. Small changes, big impact. Drive smarter and drive cleaner.